Hello everyone, Tdraguuno here, and welcome to an unboxing video of me opening a box from Premium Bandai. Alright, let's take a look. Got this packing. Sheet of an order. That's our boy. All his glory, his divine, ruthless god of destruction. Love the black and blue. Kind of like this style of the box art than the white boxes. It's like it messes around with the negative space, which I like. We have another one here. Napa cabbage. Alright. We got a high-class warrior. Got a strong Saiyan. He doesn't need Super Saiyan. He's plenty strong about it. High-class warrior, Napa. And he's in a chunky box. It's accurate. Accurate, not brown, but yellowish gold shoulder pads. Beautiful, big, favorite, bald-headed Saiyan, Napa. I still wish he should have came with a Chaozu for his back, since it still works. And it's kind of sad that he didn't come with a Ki Blast. Nice faces. Alright, and here are these two together. Look absolutely outstanding. Yep. I'm very happy with this, and Premium Bandai was right. I thought September, but they both came in August. That's always good. Now, about that articulation. I really don't want any stiff joints. Let's see, I got them out of the box. Because I know Nappa's a pretty big boy. And this is Raccoon squatting. So I'm assuming that Raccoon's taller. Raccoon! Alright. You know, let's start with the boy Napa. So let's take him out first. It's amazing. All these accessories and the heads look really nice. Nice detail in the muscles and the shading. Very nice. Kind of wish they had like a separate piece where his tail is sticking out instead of wrapped around his belt, but it's always wrapped around his waist as a belt, so yeah. Let's get a feel for Napa. I'm checking these arms first. Not like Raccoon. This is good. Not at all like Raccoon. Not stiff joints. You did it right, Bandai. You did it right this time. Like, just the right amount of stiffness for the leg. Not too stiff and not too loose. Bending about that far. Very nice. I think that the faces are the same with the scouter on and off. There could be a slight difference. He could have a bigger smirk with his scouter face. They're basically saying there could be like a slight difference. Alright, up next we got Beerus, god of destruction. Very nice, with a few accessories. No Ki Blast or anything. But that's fine. I still love him. I still love Beerus all the same. Let's open up, play around with him for a little bit. Very premium. Very shiny top piece right here. Neck movement. Doors so. little elf looking feet. Moves up and down and all the way around. Now, the Dragon Star's Beerus is actually pretty good, but there is one fatal flaw which I don't understand why they made this. Yeah, Dragon Star's Beerus can't do this. See this? You see this swivel right here? That one part right here is what Dragon Star's Beerus doesn't have. And I find that disgusting. I hate it. Because it's so unnecessary. He's the only one who doesn't have it. Just very chill pose. Always, I'm stronger than everyone type attitude. His accessories will be the same as the original Beerus. And the only difference here is that one camera. There you go. That one tier. That one tier is the only difference from this piece. Still nice yawning, or I'm about to sneeze. Got you. Articulation's not too tight, not too loose. They look great. They're just perfect, and with the Beerus being a very expensive figure from the first release, and Napa as well, I say this is a must-have. The Dragon Star's Beerus is nice, but you're not gonna get that arm swivel action. Yeah. And that's where I'm going to end this unboxing. Alright, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. And I'll see all of you next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Raccoon! Yeah, final note. Raccoon is indeed taller than Nappa. So yeah.